Yo. Check. Oh, that's what it was. It's not Decay. Check. That's better. Check.
Can we move the guitar cab to like where the speaker is?
You could try, but the fucking. Let me see.
Well, that'd probably be better for the mic.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't.
Yeah, part of the thing with it is like it's just the mic's gonna catch everything.
You are correct.
Well, the cymbals are loud as fuck. But it's like it sounds cool.
Thank you.
But it's just, when the decay was that heavy, is like
Yeah, that was too much.
Yeah, it's gonna become crazy.
I didn't bring my flip-flop. Yeah, here, let me see it.
Because I gotta hold on to this in case
Sorry,
you
Benny's gotta put his socks and shoes on.
Dude.
Alright. Was it too much? Or?
Can you hear yourself?
Nope, but that's because it's playing that way. As long as you can hear everything.
Turn it a little bit more this way, just
Slightly.
I don't want it to like
Maybe turn that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like I'm blowing my voice out. So
It just might feedback a little bit, but it seems fine.
that's fine.
But if you can't hear yourself like during the set, I can turn you up a little bit.
Yeah.
It's like really, it's not, I don't know. It's like,
I just want to be too loud.
yeah, like it's like at a good level.
So
right
everyone
now.
can like.
Yeah, if you want to try it again, and then I can maybe you can let me know if you can't hear yourself. I can turn it up a little bit.
So they're gonna turn down.
You turn down?
Yeah.
I don't give a shit. You do what you want.
Okay.
Usually you're louder than me, so that's great news. Do that one again.
Up to you or whatever. We're
Just
not.
do that one again.
Okay.
Just
You can't give too many secrets away.
Well, yeah, exactly. That's perfect. Now I can hear. Now I'm like, now I know what it sounds like. I was like, damn, guys. Beautiful. Alright. That's perfect.
Hell yeah.
Perfect. And
You love it. You love it.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's like,
Yeah.
I guess you don't mind hitting those lights?
Yeah, you got it. I'll do that, then I'll hit your mic. Gia.
Don't suck, Sean.
Turn the lights on.
I'll try
Wow,
not to.
thanks.
Oh, never mind.